The price of Bitcoin has fallen from about $60,000 to $38,000 in recent weeks, much to the shock of investors. Some analysts and experts welcome the issue, saying that the market was undergoing a correction process that did not require high prices and was a good time for buyers. Hey everybody, welcome to the Millionaires Club. Millionaires Club is where future millionaires come to learn and enjoy. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notifications for new videos. And now, why Bitcoin is trading down now. Introducing Bitcoin. For those who may not be familiar with Bitcoin, before introducing the factors that have affected the price of Bitcoin, we will introduce it. The digital currency was created in 2008 by an unknown person or persons and has become the largest digital currency in the world. It has proven its worth over the years, so you can have Bitcoin as a fixed share in your portfolio. After a long time and the emergence of many currencies, Bitcoin is still the most valuable digital currency, and experts speculate that this trend will continue. Bitcoin is very strong in terms of security, and it is almost impossible to hack or attack the Bitcoin network. It is completely decentralized and is not overseen by a centralized entity, supported by celebrities. In the meantime, it has its drawbacks that may be very important to some. The cost of Bitcoin transactions is very high, and the verification process is very long. Also, extracting Bitcoins is very laborious and expensive. The reason for the fall in the price of digital currencies. We have all seen the price of all digital currencies fall in recent weeks. Until recently, analysts considered global inflation policies due to the corona pandemic as one of the main reasons for the growth of digital currencies. But in recent times, due to changes in U.S. economic policies, the situation for digital currencies has changed and prices fallen confront. If the Federal Reserve slows down the printing of its money, the value of the dollar will rise even more, and we will see a further decline in the price of Bitcoin. If the United States implements an interest rate hike program, it will increase people's willingness to spend less and save more in banks, which in turn could increase the risk of financial markets. Given the global state of the disease, especially the new strain of corona, people prefer to invest in less risky places like the bank. Another reason that some analysts cite is they know that China is resisting the growth of this market. The Chinese government has said it will deal with a new generation of digital currencies like metaverse. Bitcoin needs for uptrend. Some experts have said that the reason for the fall of digital currencies in the past few days can be attributed to the opposition of China and the opposition of the US Congress in this regard. Since then, the new corona strain called Omicron has also frightened people and drained capital. Also, the negative news that China publishes about this market is one of the reasons that it harms the market. Correlation of altcoins with Bitcoins. Traders still hope that altcoins will separate their path from Bitcoin and not be so affected by the price of Bitcoin. But to date, this has not happened. The cryptocurrency market is such that whenever Bitcoins fall, the price of altcoins also falls. In recent weeks, we have witnessed the proof of this story. If you do not know what a coin is, I have to say, any currency other than Bitcoin is called a coin or an altcoin. At first, altcoins were dependent on Bitcoins, and only their code was changed. But little by little, altcoins were created that had their blockchain and their goals were completely different from Bitcoin, such as Ethereum. It can be said that a very large percentage of altcoins, like Bitcoins, are declining these days. This has caused some concern for traders, but they still hope that this situation can change. Most institutional investors avoid buying Bitcoin when prices fall, and this fear of losing in the next cycle resumes as prices rise. Are you a buyer or a seller in the cryptocurrency market these days? Is it possible that the price of Bitcoin will reach the promised $100,000? Thank you for being with us. Please share your opinions with us.